Hello, welcome back to Berdu channel. This video continues to explore how to process form submission data. In previous videos, we discussed how to create a web form, label, and manage the data submission report, as well as how to follow up form submissions via WhatsApp. Check those videos out if you haven't already. This time, we'll learn how to direct form respondents to a WhatsApp page after they complete the data form. Before we jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tutorial information. Click the like button below and also turn on the notification bell. Firstly, ensure you have downloaded and installed the WhatsApp application on your computer. Once the application is downloaded and installed, let's go to your Berdu website's dashboard. Go to Layout and navigate to the Custom page, then edit the page where you've placed the data collection form section. This is a form I've created previously. Although it's different from the previous videos, the basic steps remain the same. Only the appearance is different. If you want to know how to create a form like this, please watch the video in the previous part first. Now go to Settings, select Submitted, and check the option Redirect after Submit. Then, select WhatsApp as the target. Enter your WhatsApp number or your admin customer service number here. Visitors to your website will start a conversation directly with the number listed here. Okay, now we can customize the message that will be automatically sent to your WhatsApp using variables according to the input field names in this form. In this form, variables that I can input are name, package, city, and others. I'll create the template here. The template is just for example, so the variables here follow the input column names. These variables are not case-sensitive, meaning the use of capital letters or lowercase letters doesn't matter, as long as there are no typos. It must match exactly with the form. Once done, click Done. Done, then Save. Now let's see the page. Scroll down to the Form section. Let's try filling in the data, then click Submit. The website visitor will be redirected to the WhatsApp page, and the WhatsApp application will automatically open. Here's the message with the template format we created, complete with variables replaced with the form respondent's input data. The potential customer just needs to click the Send button, or they can also add their message if they want. This feature not only applies to web views on PC, but also if we try it on a mobile phone, after clicking the Submit button, it will also automatically redirect to the WhatsApp application. In the previous video, we set up these data to be included in the data form report on your website page. But by redirecting form respondents to the WhatsApp page after filling out this form, you can directly interact with website visitors or buyers, whether it's for confirmation, follow-up, response, and so on. And through this, we can ensure that the WhatsApp number of the website visitor is indeed active. That's all for this tutorial. Like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu channel for more tutorial videos. Also, don't forget to follow our social media accounts for other interesting content. See you later!